Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Pull the shelf so the tabs pop out of their catch. Remove the glove box back panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the frame. Clean out any debris in the housing. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1050 filter into the frame, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the frame. Push it upwards so that it stays in place. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the back panel. Clip the shelf back into the glove box. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.